Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned question number 4 related with exercise number 6.4 related with chapter number 6 statistics class 10 mathematics. In today's video we are going to learn the last question number 6 related with exercise number 6.4 related with chapter number 6 statistics class 10 mathematics. Let's move to question number 6. It tells that following is the distribution for the number of defective bulbs in 30 quarters. Find variance and standard deviation of the defective bulbs. This is the given data. Number of defective bulbs is 0 to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. And here the number of peaks of the cartons, F is actually the frequency in the brackets. So 1, 13, 15, 10 and 2. Now move towards solution. Here this is number of defective bulbs we will consider it as a class limit. So write in the form of a table. So let's suppose this is the number of defective bulbs, we can write as a class limit. Class limit. First class limit is 0 to 2. Second one is 2 to 4. The third one is 4 to 6. And the fourth one is 6 to 8. And the last one, fifth one is 8 to 10. Now after this number of peaks is actually frequency in the small bracket. So we will write it in the represented by a small f because this is frequency. Frequency is actually the number amount of anything. So here is 1 frequency for 0 to 2. The second one is 13. And the third one is 15, the fourth one is 10, and the last one is 2. Now we are going to find variance and standard deviation. So for variance we have a formula. Variance is equal to sigma f of x square divided by sigma f of minus sigma f of x divided by sigma f whole square. We already learned in the previous question number 3. So here we have f and here we have class limit. So from class limit first we will finding the x. X is actually the midpoint. So finding x. Let's suppose this is x values. So x is actually the midpoint. Midpoint is actually the sum of the two numbers divided by 2. So here 0 plus 2 it gives us 2 and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. So the midpoint is 1. So here the midpoint will be 2 plus 4, it gives us 6, and 6 divided by 2 it gives us 3. Here the midpoint will be 4 plus 6, 10, 10 divided by 2 it will give us 5. After this 6 plus 8 it gives us 14 and 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. After this 8 plus 10, 18. 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. So this is the midpoint 9 over here. Now here is f of x. So we will multiply f and x with each other. So here we multiply f with x. So f of x. Here this is f and this is x. So 1 multiply 1 gives us 1. 13 multiply 3 gives us 39. After this 15 multiply 5, 8 gives us 75. 10 multiply 7 gives us 70. And 2 multiply 9 gives us 18. After this we are going to find f of x square. So first we will squaring the x values for finding x square. So let's suppose this is x square values. So this is x, so 1 square gives us 1, 3 square gives us 9, 5 square gives us 25. After this 7 multiply 70, it gives us 490. And after this 9 multiply 18 will give us 9 multiply 18. So it will give us 9 and 7, 16. So it gives us 162. Now after this we will multiply f with x square because here is a summation of f of x square. So we will multiply f with x square. This is f and this is x square. So multiply f with x square. So let's suppose this is f of x square. So f is 1 in this case and x square is 1. So 1 multiply 1 gives us 1. After this f is 13 and x square is 9. So 9 multiply 13 will give us a 90 and 90 plus 27. So 100 and 100 plus 17. So 117. Now after this 15, here f is 15 and x square is 25. So 25 multiply 15 will give us 5, 2, 10 and 2, 12, 0, 5 and 2. So 5, 7 and 2. It gives us 275. So here the result will be 275. After this, multiply f, which is 10, and x square is 490. So it will give us, here is 10 and here is 10. So 20 and 49. So it will give us 4900. After this, here f is 2 and x square is 162. So 162 multiply 2 gives us 4, 2, 1 and 2 multiply 1 and 3. So it gives us 324, 324. So here the result will be 324. Now here is a summation of f of x square. So summation of f of x square means that addition of all the values of f of x square. So adding all the values 324, adding with 275, and after this 117, 275 and 324, and we also add 1 with it. So 5 plus 4, it gives us 9, 9 plus 5 plus 4, 9 and 1, 10 and 7, 17. So 7 plus 1, 8 and 8 plus 2, 10 and 1, 11. So 3 plus 1, 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7. So it gives us 717. After this we are left with 4900. So add 4900 with it. So 717. It will give us 7. 1, 9 plus 7, 16. And 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So 5617 is actually our f of x square. 5617. So summation of f of x square is 5617. Now after this we have summation of f of x. So we will also find the addition of all the values of f of x. So 39 plus 1, 40, and 40 plus 70, it gives us 110, and 110 plus 70, 180, and here is 5. So 185. After this 195, and we are left with 8. So it will give us 203. So summation of f of x is 203. So this is the summation of f of x. We are also finding the summation of f. So the summation of f means 10 plus 2. It gives us 10 plus 15, 25, and 25 plus 2, 27, and 28, and after this 31. So 13, it will give us 41. So summation of f is 41. After this, we are going to just put the values over here and finding the variance. So is equal to variance is equal to f of x square. Summation of f of x square is 5617 divided by summation of f. Summation of f is 41 minus summation of f 41 whole square. Now 5617 divided by 41. So 41 multiply 1, it gives us 41. So here is 5 and 1, and after this 1. So 41 multiply 3 will give us 123. So subtracting, so it will give us 8 and 2, and after this 7, we have 7. So 41 multiply 6, it will give us 246. So it will give us 1 and 4. So if we multiply with 7, so it will give us 7 and 28. So it will give us 287. Here the remainder will be 0. So 5617 divided by 41 is gives us 137, 137. So here the values will be 137. Here is minus sign. Now we divide 203 divided by 41. 203 divided by 41. So 41 multiply 4. It will give us 4, and 4 multiply 4 gives us 164. So if we multiply 41 with 5, the value will be more than 203, because 5 and 5 multiply 4 gives us 205. So the value is greater in this case. Now we will multiply with 4, so it gives us 164. So 41 multiply 4 gives us 164. So subtracting 3 from 4, it gives us 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is 9 minus 6, so it gives us 3. Here is 0 and point. So 41 multiply 6 and 41 multiply 7, 8, 9. So 41 multiply 9 gives us 9, and 36, 3, 6, 9. So here we multiply 9. So it will give us 369. So the result will be around about 4.9. It gives us round about 5. So the result will be 5. So 203 divided by 41 gives us 5, and 5 square gives us 25. Now subtract 137 minus 25. So 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, and here is 1. So the variance is 112. Now we are going to find variance in standard deviation. So for the standard deviation, we have a formula under root of variance. We already found variance, which is 112. So put here 112 and find the standard deviation is equal to 112. Now through the calculator, find the exact value of under root of 112. So with this question, exercise number 6.4 is completed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification of mathematics. Thank you.